Alright guys, welcome back to H.A.B Garage. Today we're going to be doing another experiment to see if it's true, the Toothpaste versus the Foggy headlights. And hopefully it's true, hopefully it actually makes a difference, but I'm going to show you guys what the headlights look like now, and then we're going to get to work taping everything up and getting it ready for the Toothpaste. So that's what one looks like, and as you can see, this is a Mustang. And this is the worst one, so we're going to do this one first, and then we're going to do the other one. Sorry about the little guy in the background, that's my son. But this is going to be the car we're working on. This is my best friend's car, new to him, 2016 Mustang EcoBoost. I like the turbo noises, but yeah, so I wanted to show you guys that before we get started. But I'm going to get to taping everything up, at least the bottom. And we'll just pop the hood to make sure no tape gets on that. Alright guys, we got the tape where I want it. I'm not going to really go into detail with it. Like, I'm not about to try to stick it to the bumper all like that. But now, instead of a toothbrush, I'm going to be using a sponge. It might be cheating, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to tape these off too before we get fully started. So that's what it looks like. So I'm going to tape this off, and I'll come back to you guys once we're applying the toothpaste. And here's the toothpaste we're going to be using. But I'm going to cut it here. I'm going to put the tape on both sides, and then we're going to get to work. Alright guys, I'm going to apply the toothpaste right to the lens. That should be enough. I'm going to use the spongy side to spread it a little bit more. And now we're going to go in like this. And this is the worst headlight out of the two, so we'll really see what this can do. That's good enough for now. I'm going to go straight to wiping it. We're not just going to do this side in the video, we're going to do both sides, but I can see a difference in it. Okay guys, that's what it looks like after the first pass. Now I'm going to show you guys what the other one looked like before, because we haven't touched that one yet. Alright guys, as you can see, this is without the little toothpaste trick. I'll do a side by side in the video after everything just to show you the difference it made. But now we're going to move on to this one. Alright guys, we're going to do the same thing over here. I'm cleaning the headlights. Yep. Don't mind the baby in the background. That's my 3-year-old son. Go sit down, baby. So, add a little bit more, and then we're going to use the more bristly side of the sponge. Guys, don't tell my wife this is one of our dish sponges. I didn't tell her I was taking it, obviously. So what do you guys think of the transformation? In my honest opinion, it looks pretty good. I'm gonna take the tape off as fast as possible. But I'm gonna have a comparison side by side in the video. I'll take a picture with my phone. But honestly, guys, I think that was a successful experiment. All right, guys, I think that was a successful experiment. I didn't think the toothpaste was going to work that well. I always thought that was a myth, but I was proven wrong in this video. And if you were on the same side as me, I guess you were proven wrong as well. So let me know what you thought about the video in the comments below. Let me know if you would try this, or if you already tried it and you knew it already worked. Let me know in the comments. But that's enough talking for me. Catch me in the next one. Peace.